Abusia sabre baby a wo hwe me bia no memo akwaba eye dwada ya mante memo akwaba de waba Malope TV so era so ye da foforo bia ye de ehye menra ye di nkoma ye nra kwesi ya da ye di nkoma na so yesa so edi nkoma na wonim se bana Ghana de a me do Ghana papa enti Ghana honsem ena meka mechi baby a wo bia memo akwaba ma me fanchi akase ema mu a mo ba me comment section na mo be comment nyina no nyame enhira mo menya a new good friend from Takwa. Hi Takwa Anthony lawyer bichara baby a wo bia ma me fanchi akase mama Georgina mama Felicia also UK mama Sandra ewo America. Hi mechechi ya munyina US fo nyina mechia wo bibiara abushia ene kwekwa me mo nwram ni nkomo shortly ene Monday me kase ene Monday nsema me de beba bontene no ebe ye so powerful and then yeni nkomo Mr. Chukwudi Jude, the man who claimed to be an Igbo king in Ghana. Ghana will be man. So Nigeria, the papa, ye didn't come Ghana for baby empty. But my baby address and kakra, or you'll be a Nigerian in our bar Ghana, say what beton cassette, and as will be business. Yeah, make canvas will be business. Now, every our bar, you know, and TH was started and what on cassette. And the also the so we business be an RDB shas here. And the we are not going anymore and what then about me jump to another different business. Now my it was wabenye scapa and ya cassette and kwa no beton or beton cast papers near the idea. And you or you be mine so this year, or you be mine so this year, or yes Nigeria this year. Wabetna Ghana and fear bebre. Na yini ya da sorry ya ma isa dabi. Mi business no kura me de tunche na fe ma ba be Igbo king. Igbo fo nyina hene ewo Ghana na me sa ba be si kingdom. Ewo Ghana na mato asase a so papa ye akwasi buru ne beka 200 something acres 250 something acres ewo ningo pram. Ensamo ba ye no ya twena basane stress amanfo didi hu komo na the na yemtias say how come say obi babe obi ofri ni ma so babe sini kingdom wo bra ye wa hemfo ewo kingdom ewo Ghana kuro Asante region say ye kingdom kase pa wote kokoso tumfo ana ye wo hene papa nso say da bi wono so besi ne de wo bra wonye Ghana this year na kiremu kire say wo wale Ghana ni ba wo cha say dodo na kire say ono kra no wo ba no ne fa Nigeria because kanene friend Ngozi na yesene side ana ye mfante itale say yesene side bi mfante ni na ne side nso ye Nigeria ni eno se egusu ye hu hwehwemu na samu ye aya sam bia chasa ma Ghana ye pinso na papa na wodi animu a chasa wo ye se won prema papa agenda enkoso dia na wo tu franka ma APC Dr. Hassan Ayarga wono na nsami no chasa wo fight ya se papa enya no kore adwembone pa no wo peso wo de ba o man Ghana mu a se wo besi ne kingdom na wonte ase ma sade no nsi na ne yenya ne ntia se just what the papa Hassan Ayarga ekokoto ne ade se say ebra Hassan Ayarga say no papa also bedini yam festival on tia se mensi mo the petition come gamanche enkra na appeal na nkra so ehene de letter ma police for say most stop no anya de mema papa abaye ni bibiara ye frɛ no yam festival ewa ha yima didimu ndi na yasanya ne ntia se Hassan Ayarga so the ababetu just papa no here deportation to the 17th of October bosumi ayewumi and I on the 6th and I on the 6th esa papa no wonkodu kurum na ya da sorry papa so akosi Hassan Ayarga court just wo ma ne kono delays o kura obeko ugodu abefri Nigeria na aba na me pese me name Mr. Chukwudi eti enkomo kakra nti abushia abrantie bi nso aba bedi nkomo ye Nigeria ne osehwe Ghana mo de montena ho agenda na akora we kura no war agenda papa agenda no hu ase Ghana ye tena se so akwa we so antokwa ebesi Ghana ne oye na ebesi Ghana no ebe ye nya papa na si den na Ghana for mo trans mo bi fi ne kuro mu ba sa bi bedi nsi hunu sa Ani ebedi nkomo pa twabusia quick one mami ntwa me homra ne enkoje aboafo nkrato me ba hyehyia.
Marote TV, in God we trust.
Abusia, welcome back. Mayende kane abrantie ya wakasa ya abrantie bi babe kasa yenkohwe ni video mara. Na fe ye ba ni yeti nkomo. Aha aya Marote TV. Bomodi so be subscribe YouTube channel. Share link no na obia sankabi. Ye twa ye ho akwa abrantie ni video. Ne nkomo awa bedi about Hinetu Mr. Chukudi. Yaba shishia.
Any Ghanaian against Hassan Yariga has been sponsored and paid. Ghanaian constitution was created for the sole purpose of protecting the interests and rights of Ghanaian citizens, indigenous Ghanaians. It was not for foreigners to come and exploit. So you cannot go to Ghana from your own country and go and be doing your rights there. Yes, the Ghanaian constitution was drafted for the Ghanaian people and by the Ghanaian people for the sole purpose of protecting the interest of Ghanaians, to put the interest of Ghanaians first above any other thing. So if you are not indigenous to Ghana, don't expect to be treated fairly. For those of you going to Ghana to interpret the law and knowing your rights, you want to go to other people's country and know your rights. Ghanaians need to kick you out. Yes, they have to kick you out. Ghanaians, let me tell you something. For those of them, you know, that have actually acquired citizenship in Ghana, but they still retain their Nigerian citizenship and passports, automatically that their citizenship is null and void. Yes, because under the Ghanaian constitution, if you acquire the citizenship of Ghana, but you still retain the citizenship of your home country or their passports, automatically that your citizenship can be rendered null and void. Yes. So technically speaking, any foreigner in Ghana holding a Ghanaian citizenship but still manages to retain the passport of their home country, they are not your citizens. Deport them. If they come into your country, cause problem, deport all of them to go home. Yes, put the interest of Ghanaians first before any other person. After all, if for instance now Ghana goes into a war with any other country, a lot of these people that are claiming to be citizens of Ghana, they will run away. They are not going to stand and fight for you. A typical example is Ukraine. Now that Ukraine is fighting with Russia, how many of the immigrants that migrated to Ukraine are standing and fighting with them? They are not. It is only the Ukrainian, indigenous white Ukrainians that are fighting. The other immigrants that acquire citizenship have all fled and ran away to their home country or other countries. Yes, but when you finish fighting, they will come out and be claiming rights. So Ghana, that's the same thing that is applicable to you. How many of their ancestors came into your country and fight and died and bled for Ghana that they will come and be claiming rights in your own country with you? Don't entertain such nonsense from anybody. Immigration is not the birthright of anybody. Yes, it's not anybody's birthright. So don't allow anybody come into your country, intimidate you or bully you. Yeah, you might have your differences. Yeah, but it is your sole responsibility to protect what your own ancestors fought for. Yeah, except maybe you want to exchange it for money or a bar. You can tell us, we'll help you. Anything outside that, don't allow anybody come into Ghana and intimidate you in your own country and claim rights in your own country. And those Ghanaians that are on social media siding with immigrants and foreigners, they are all sellouts. You people need to investigate them. They are sellouts. Yes, they've been paid, they are being sponsored to do it. You need to investigate them. Any Ghanaian that is actually against Hassan Yariga right now, any Ghanaian that is against Hassan Yariga right now is a sellout. Yes, is a sellout. If you investigate that person, he has been paid. Yeah, so Ghana needs a strong immigration reform that will protect and promote the interest of Ghanaians first above any other thing. Thank you.
Right, abusia abrantie ye Nigeria ni na wadi nkomo papa and the abrantie ne ka no no kwere. Ghana belongs to Ghanaians. Ghana, it belongs to Ghanaians. It doesn't belong to Nigeria. Mr. Chikudi Jude, today I wanted to address you this. How did you manage to enter this country? Because maybe you can beat our border, whatever we are. I know you've already entered, so we have no problem. You came as a businessman. As you all said in your video some time ago, we understand you. What about your business when you're sick? Mr. Chikudi, watch a video be. Ghana ni be Scotland. What has happened? That man has been arrested. Also, ono ye Kubala. Or ye kingdom was Scotland. Or ye Ghana in Africa. Yachino, he has been arrested. And that his idea has been cancelled. Ghana for Obi a Ghana ni and wako trans abroad so many years. Scotland. Now Scotland in Mirabim. And one also why you said you could be on credit was start while you're in now was in it. Was in it, nay, Abrofa Quacos and Sehunu, and a wood, you know. Open here, dear, Kokuro Africa, baby, who free now could do winning. To one say, as we are speaking, and Theatre say it alleged that he has been arrested and that his idea has been cancelled. Mr. Chukudi, today I am going to tell you this. Maybe your friend is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And let me tell you one thing. I wanted to open your mind. If you think you have a win, who Watabai? Now Watabai Ghana penny phobi, especially John Dramani Mahama. I am telling you, you are making a wrong. You are making a wrong mistake. Here, maybe a comparison be actually Mr. Chukudi. MPP Nana was Akufo-Addo. Our former president, Nana Akufo-Addo. Sabrano, na chairman to me, a regional chairman of Ashanti regional chairman. And now make us say John Dramani Mahama Breso, even and then Monday, I make us say, to me, our court, and as I call a friend say, Yoko for here and then Monday, I make us say. To me, Tony Galam say, in the time of Akufo-Addo, to me, a MPP ni. Yoko and Fre, to me, no investigation anchor, all because to me is an MPP, not buying and a was war. But I know, this buy, you know, if you want to say, to me, quite your fossil two Galam say, ne quite fossil, a year, you know, and ye, and you never said, yeah, to me, actually say. If you think Mahama is, I am not saying that Mahama is covering you. I am Mahama airborne, but I am saying that maybe Mahama is your typical, your intimate, your best friend, and because of that, you have a wings and you have a power, you have an authority to even sue or even do whatever you want in this country. I am telling you, see, you know, they are Obefa Ghana Konya as a president, Kurawako. Aya Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. Buzia Nomoko, Nkrofo Bebre Ababe Tenasa Ekonyan Sopen. Mahama is not going to sit on a presidential seat forever. And remember, when Mahama leaves, you said Yanaya Chama to me. It tells you, sir, if you think, sir, a baby and I say a banner wasn't because some of the Nigerians now are saying Mahama is their president because Mahama is doing anything to favor Nigerians. And Chukudi, a year would dare. Some Mahama send a stepmom and Nigerian, so nobody can do you a focus. I am telling you, I come Mahama 3 years. And let me tell you, sir, even Ebia Mahama Kwane Pewasem. Ebia, I am saying this, Ebia na Mahama Kwane Pewasem. In NDC Saba Power, and Mahama Nebetra Komyasubium. Julius Zabran, who I say, don't get you, are they also like you? Or you say you have done something to support Mahama. Bia, I am not saying, but I'm just making a comparison. You think, say, Bia, why are they be their support to Mahama? And because of that, you said, Kevin Taylor, Timothy Dia Temwa, na Kevin Taylor, na Tem Didian in Sambia favor NDC into Oba Ghana, no. Just say, it's a lady, it is a soldier for cry, born home by. Let's access, and there you can say, NDC near Bamubium. Na MPP, Kevin Taylor, El Sopa Woman. We friends Kennedy Japan firma MPP or so power woman. Say MPP or power Abba power Kevin Taylor bet to me Abba Ghana. Abba Bayadia wope. And I say call to ya Kevin Taylor by ya didn't call you kodi be me. Sankaya NDP na waswa a jeff for me bisa any chukudi me bisa say. Anka Kevin Taylor bet me the beam simple sakwana. Mr. Chukudi, you need to be very careful because I am a woman being like you. And I don't want a trouble for you. I am telling you the truth matter. The truth matter is you need to be very careful. If you think that this government is covering you, or this government, let me tell you, Ghana forecast and be say abain beba, abain beko. A new king, new law. New king, new law. Kofuo bedi adia wa Ghana. Esuna any nimdi odi bedi ade in the name of MPP Akufo-Addo nso ba bedi ade in the name of MPP omu nyina memo was so different. Kufuor kuta Ghana card health insurance. Akufo-Addo kuta free SHS any health free SHS. Me say Kufuor kuta health insurance. Kufuor, it is Kufuor who brought health insurance. Akufo-Addo was the one who brought free SHS. And I am telling you, Chukudi, maybe people around John Dramani Mahama thought Mahama is your friend. They are not going to say anything. Maybe a Seydou Ketia is going to come on power. Now, Seydou Ketia never power. Mahama can never advise a Seydou Ketia to, or to teach a Seydou Ketia how to take this country to. Why you need we? Just as he has become an NDC president. When we said there Rollins made the idea with NDC. Our coin. Although Rollins is NDC, but not Rollins in the upper hand. BRBM. Sana Mahama because Mahama got no fear. Now say MPP nebebo. APC nebebo. Any party that will come to power, Chukudi, sit down and ask yourself that are you going to be favored by that person who is going to rule? Never think it's all NDC people like you. I am telling you today. So any step that you are taking, you need to be very careful. Ghana doesn't belong to you. I am advising you this. It is not all NDC people that likes you. I am telling you. This man, maybe I am telling you the truth. I am not saying it is Mahama and I shall with you, but Mono, enemy nim Diemono. I am just saying, maybe if you think because Mahama is the president of Ghana, and due to this demonstration and all this blah blah that is going, Mahama is not saying anything, and people are saying that Mahama netai chide, Mahama. Yo, and if it is so, as some people are saying it, I said the Ankrophobia Eka and Mahama Netawana, dear. I am telling you, I want to tell you that Mahama is not going to be a president forever and ever. Hey, Maza, and you think what you are doing, you wanted to bring war, and Hassan Ayariga that you have sued a whole Ghana. You have sued a whole Ghana. Mr. Chukudi, be very careful. Me, I'm a citizen of Ghana, and I know how Ghanaian are. And a Ghanaian is. Please. Ghana ni bekasa with the banchi abongu mo. And Ghana for me bisawo. Hassan Ayariga nye hieni. Dr. Hassan Ayariga onye hieni o. Mani wosika. I think it's alright. Ni makra kosko abrochire. The matiti abroad alleged. Hassan Ayariga is a businessman. Bet me free o maimu. Ako. obetimi de ne maame sa ne maame te ase ni nua bi odo no na ebusua bo obetimi aseso mu nyina kogu abrochire na de ebesi Ghana esi nanso papa no adwempa woni tirim de ma oman no se dabi enye se me de me ho a ne me pebetumi akotra abrochire Ghana be say ense Ghana na me free ma me ndwene me man so after all me se me pe leader edi se me pe leader di enye me boto ma me nwene oman no na me trase mo oman no enkrofo bi mfi wo mu nkro mu ma be say wo oman no emo yene nsi wo manim. And this is the reason why Hassan aye doctor incoming president Hassan Ayariga are sorry fighting Emma Ghana. Hassan Ayariga is not fighting for himself and his family. He's fighting for Ghanaians. And Jimo Ghana for being a sabi mu hunu dia wo ye no a ebi tinche. Onim akwaya o ye ni video no abranche ne kaso say enkrofo bi Nigerians has paid some people to stand against Hassan Ayariga. That is what the guy said in a video. That is what the guy says in a video. That any person that you see say he's standing against Hassan Ayariga has been paid by Nigerians. That is what the guy says. And it's no wonder because even I'm sitting here, no, mekura meti ya mekasa no. Enye nsem nyina na metumi ayade aka on air. Etiabusia, arise Ghana youth because here Sa Ibon anasa Nigerian sem no ayekan eti se driver ni a wakotena kam na wonu ankasa kotena kam a was parking car na wo move car wo tia brake no ni ntime nche papa o enti wo kwa no a pompi brake ni kakra o so o ma menya ni kakra na Sunday anasa da foforo weekends ne makwakwa anasa wo chena ne makwakwaye na nipa wo kwan so onu ankasa parking car na wo tia car no so no a wo tia brake no so no se brake ni nsha da nche and also mami manage na ochina ana weekends mekwa akoye mi manage ni kakra mfanya adwuma wo lodu passengers wie ya wo kono highway medika hu mi manage ni sa nya hwe metumi dia ya adwuma sa afa dia wo ye overtaking be na overtaking no na ye careful enu obi ni ti no wo se ka bi ba akwo ti because wo kaso wo ti aso more baby o overtaking car na shia na wi ntu obo break na ko wawura mu o tia break ne so a break na ntia break na no wo so wo manage na ntia de akoba ne say accident sie won e be wuwu ye won e be pray the little mistake abusia mo be ka story bi mind be no drive bus or drive bus satan no say STC o say osa tete asam na meken na sabra na cassette ana na yebo na mine driver ne gusu kaka we load passenger from Kumasi to Accra walk on no so was what the cassette she enwumunim na tape nim na nkrofo atie to wasinity ase instead of so man ti so say ehwe kwan wasinity ase no what the cassette ni shem the little mistake what the cassette ni shem no wo pagya ni ti no no one kago car brain the little mistake and no ma koso ya Ghana fo ani abri our little mistake can make the war as Ghana and no tell ya kasa say no if you are a foreigner and you come to this country as a businessman do your business also me be ya king na me be build me kingdom bodia asam no ayeka no Ghana for binum mumma media for bloggers bi journalists binum mumma sikanya mo de na mo yo bodi amu bete akwa bi na bo ne nyum obete bobo me to a data kra mintiminto asumani abresa the little that I had me the better data akasa kire wo man no this country belongs to Ghanaians ayeye nyina ye man ye mu bia wo ma me se biribi si wo Ghana won aye mobopa aya penfo emrewa enkokora ne nkoda Nigeria 40 mi bi o man kaso metumi ato Ghana and ye can Nigerians say what Ghana is almost 500 sorry almost 5 million say ahe it's even more than that o say then Nigeria for is almost 5% in this country. Ochire beda sori ne so mo ye be 30% and 50% of nima chim. What's here ye betimi? And Andra, minimu di nkomo bi se Ya say enkrofo ya criminals yo mu fi Nigeria US aban ediport wo mahama akwaji wo mu bayi be ye video bi na ga bi kase yeso ma be katogo but ebutia me say nya ne say it's never true because ayade mahama ne US aban no assign contract na contract no sesi a wakwa kwaji memfa so bi de ade ama ne se fa komo obi watua ho kama ho sika waje ho pawie uduru kwan so a ho so se media ma obi se ono nyina onfa kana ade no kwaira ho ne bebisa no enti yesi no nkrofo no mo Ghana say yesi false news but me go so yen hwehwem because it's true how can say mahama kwaji nkrofo aje ho asensa ho krata se me de omo bo man mu na yabeti so ma be ka o mami so abidibisia US government with media banako and metete it alleged I don't have evidence yes enunti na US aban ama Ghana 5 years visa oya Ghana ni na person ko US yes enunti ya enti no minya sure say ngrofo no wo Togo yes o mu wo Ghana enti no we should be very careful ti Ghana fo kasa ya kasa nyina no ye nyina ya somdwei ene wo man no dache entina malope eni abra debia wakasa ewo fidie so said ya obetie bi mo nsore me de kan kase Ghana mo ha empire mo amode no de na munnim entino next time bia no se Nigeria ni bitu fie enya John Dramani Mahama ana esi fie ni ma Nigeria ni bitu no ufie na ne bra so a emfa dan ni ma ne bio onkopa ne dan you better me de sanso apamo because we are going to sack all Nigerians, evil Nigerians from this country. It's not all Nigerians who are evil, but now how are we going to see this person is evil or that person? But especially Mr. Chukwu Didier, yes, in team, he need to leave this country. Yeah. Me say a shower from Ghana, a Nigeria for shower from Kuala about shower Ghana. 15 years, 12 years, 17 years, 20 years. Yeah, same. What we are, Nigeria for na day kidnapping, fraud. Just say, some grofo we on musuno mobano, yeni baby, if you see them in Casa Bebre, and I juada. Make sure baby I will be and a Monday. So a Monday afternoon special. Monday afternoon special. Me pacho famomo number no na bribi e kawa kuma so be sane bribi si fam wan to data ne here o de data boy en data kakra na yemfa en support am fon so frame bisa me kuma si protect no protest na ba so da ben ni nyina wo me boss Dr. Hassan Ayarega incoming president of Ghana dia wo dwene wo man no onwene na busuan ko nemu odwene me no mienu nyina ho no your committee a date na ebeba bontene ya ko kopem se Ghana ebenya ne ntoma pa efura nyame hira wa wo hwe me wa wo tie me wa wo me comment section ase nyame nya okese me wa se wa modi aso be subscribe channel sha links na ma obia ensan kabi like share na comment efa emame me din ede Elisha Malope aha ana brano ebema me kwan na me de jumedie ni nyina ese Ghana and ye me pacho MPP ni NDC yenyim film ni enwiro oman no MPP ni NDC se ntokwasem nko a we di we ate we na fan ekosi emua oman no wo me yamfa onuadon chekere wo man no na bibia konkan aha ana brano be mam kwa na me de jumedie na esi makraw bye bye.